stones, I mean rocks. There's so much nature in Pakistan, and we're going back to Islamabad because you love Nija's videos and Islamabad videos, I guess. So I will make more for you. And I will make videos to entertain you. Look at that mountain. It's so beautiful with some houses, with the clouds. Same in Nathia Gully. Sun there in Nathia Gully, the clouds come down and we are like in the clouds. It's so much fun and cold there. So this is KAHAR. Who loves this place, please tell in the comments. And who went to KAHAR, tell in the comments. Now we are at the petrol pump, and now new place will come. Look. So guys, we will go to the restrooms, and when we will come back, so I will make the video again. Bye bye.